Quite frequently, an issue can't be analyzed and solved with one single planning view. To tackle this, a new feature called Contextual Navigation has been introduced to Planner Workspaces. The creation of contextual navigations is fairly simple. Once you are in design mode, you can start the related guide using the context menu. By the way, contextual navigations can also be defined for analytics. If you want to know in detail how to create contextual navigations, please review the linked documentation. Once the contextual navigation is defined, you can navigate from one component to another while also passing the selected context as a filter. So you only see the data that is relevant for your case. This also has a positive impact on performance. In this planning view, we can compare the statistical forecasting against the currently planned demand. As a next step, we want to analyze why there's such a high difference between the values of the two key figures. Usually, you would need to select the second tab and scroll through the long planning view to find the appropriate data. With contextual navigations, you can simply select the data you want to further analyze, and then select the appropriate contextual navigation from the context menu. As a result, the desired planning view shows up and the filters are applied. If you need to see other planning combinations as well, you can easily adjust the filter by choosing Change. Since release 2402, there's also a new component to view master data. Let's trigger another navigation to review the ABC code. You may have noticed that previously we just selected another tab, but now another component is showing up, even though the component is not assigned to the workbook. That's quite helpful as you can keep the workbook definition slim, and the component data only needs to be refreshed when you actually need it. The master data component shows data from the product master data type. Currently, it's not possible to edit the master data, but guess what? We are working on this already, so stay tuned.